Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through HTML headings. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. HTML headings are defined with the h1 to h6 tags. Let me create a new file. Let's name it index.html. Let's save and let's get basic structure of HTML page. Let's delete this stuff for now. Keep things simple, and let me give you examples of headings from h1 to h6. Let's save, and this is, let's type in here, this is heading 1. Let's copy this and paste it 5 and 6 times, and let's change this to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to change the tags as well. By the way, with the Ctrl D, you can select the next occurrence of the selected text. Let's type in here h2, and then I'm gonna call it h3, Ctrl D, h4, h5, and this will be h6. By the way, if you need to learn more about these hotkeys, shortcuts, editing shortcuts of Visual Studio Code, you can watch my video and find the link in the description below. And let's open this page with a go live in the Chrome browser, and here is the result. Let me keep these two side by side. This is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Now, headings are important. Search engines use these headings to index the structure and content of your web page. Users often skim a page by its headings. It's important to use headings to show the document structure. This h1 heading should be used for main headings, followed by h2 headings, then use less important h3, and so on. And the size doesn't stop here. If you want a bigger size, you can achieve it by adding an attribute, style, and in the value we can use any value of CSS, and you can, if you want to learn more about how to styling your page in detail, you can watch my video and find the link in the description below related to CSS. We can use here all the CSS properties, and for this I'm going to use here font dash size. It's here, and you can make it as big as you like, say 60 pixels. Let's save and see the size of this heading. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.